Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make a bangle. For that you need thread and some beads. Some color beads, letter beads and a hook to tie it. So friends, I'm going to write the letter dance. You see there's a hole over here. You have to put the thread inside the hole so it goes inside. For with the letter beads, I have made the word dance. Now I'm going to use the color beads and fill it up. You can do it in patterns or you can do it in any ways you want. So friends, remove any time. You have to make it in the middle or one or all the beads might go off out of control. Friends, once you think it might fit you, try it in your hand if it fits you. If you think that you have to put one or two beads, you can put them to make it perfect. Friends, now I have finished. Now I'm going to use these hangers to hang it off. I have finished one side. It's not easy to put because these holes are really small. If you want to put, you have to roll it like this. So it might be easy. See, I finished. It's easy. Try to do it. If you can, try to put a knot or ask an adult. Hope you like my channel. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye bye.